Hello children, once again welcome to all of you. So children, here I am going to discuss question answers based on angles. So here we have the fill in the blanks. First fill in the blanks is when the sum of the measures of two angles is that of a right angle, then each of them is. So here what will be your answer children? Yes, very good. You all know the answer. Answer will be acute angle. Why? Here I am making 190-degree angle, okay, and if you have two angles inside this, what will be the sum of these two angles? This sum of these two angles will be 90-degree, okay, and this angle both are your acute angle. One more example I am giving. Again this is 90-degree. Now here I am making two angle. Now you can see this angle and this angle both are acute angle, okay. So here your answer will be acute angle. Now what is written over here children? When the sum of the measures of two angles is that of a straight angle and if one of them is acute then the other should be. Now you have to tell the answer. So children, what is given in the question? This one is your straight angle and here what is written? If one of them is acute. So here I am going to draw one acute angle, okay. This one angle is greater than 0 degree and less than 90 degrees, so it is your acute angle. Then the other should be, what will be the answer children? Yes, very good. So this angle will be obtuse angle. It should be obtuse angle, okay. So here you will write obtuse angle, okay. In the same way, if your question will be like this, when the sum of the measures of two angle is that of a straight angle and if one of them is obtuse then other should be acute angle, okay. So in this way you all have to do these questions. Now here your question is children, there are 30-degree in a right angle, there are dash 30-degree in a right angle. You have to tell how many 30-degree angle will come in a right angle. So suppose this is your right angle. Right angle means it is equal to 90-degree, okay. Now here I am making 30-degree three angles. So this one is 30-degree, this one is 30-degree, and this one is 30-degree. When you will add all these three angles, 30-degree plus 30-degree plus 30-degree, what you will get? You will get 90-degree, or you can also say 3 times of 30-degree equals 90-degree. 90, it should be 90-degree. So here you will write 90, okay. So what will be the answer here children? There are 3 30-degree in a right angle. One more question here I am writing. There are dash 45-degree in a right angle. Now tell the answer children. What will be the answer children? You all know the answer. Tell me fast what will come. So yes, you all are correct. Here there are 245-degree in a right angle. This is your 90-degree angle. Now I have drawn 145-degree here, another 45-degree angle over here, okay. So when you will add these 245-degree, what you will get? You will get 90-degree. So twice of 45-degree equals 90-degree, means right angle, okay. So in this way you all have to do these questions. Same like that, if I am writing one more question, there are dash 90-degree in a straight angle. So what will be your answer children? So very simple. How many 90-degree angle in a straight angle children? you can see one right angle is this and another right angle is this. So what will be your answer, children? 90 degree plus 90 degree equals 180 degree. So twice of 90 degree or right angle equals 180 degree, that is your straight angle. So there are two 90 degree in a straight angle. Okay, moving to the next. Here your question is, children, if I stand erect bare feet, my foot makes a dash angle with my leg. So children, here you can see in the picture the answer will be 90 degree, or you can also write right angle. Okay, moving to the next page. Now children, here your question is, when I stretch all the 5 fingers of my hand to full, my fingers make 4 dash angles. So here you can see all the children's they are showing victory sign, and all the children are making acute angles with their finger, those who are showing victory signs. Okay, now children, here you can see these two boys, this and this TG Balaji also. So here you can see TG Balaji, he has stretched his all the fingers, and here now we will count the number of angle. One angle is this, second angle is this, third angle is this, fourth angle is this. So total number of angles 4. Okay, and here what is written, when I stretch all the 5 fingers of my hand to full, my fingers make 4 dash angles. So you have to tell which type of angles are these. These all angles are greater than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. So you all know the answer. What will be the answer, children? Here your answer will be acute angle. Okay, so with this we come to an end, and I hope these question answers are clear to you. Thank you. Have a nice day.